1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever I hear goodbye, reminds me, baby, of you. I break down and cry. Next time I'll be true. Fever for lost romance. Reminds me, baby, of you. I took a crazy chance. Next time I'll be true. I'll be true. I'll be true. Footsteps on the dance floor. Reminds me, baby, of you. Teardrops in my eyes. Next time I'll be true. Whispers in the powder room. She cries on every tune. Every tune. Every tune. And the music don't feel like it did when I felt it with you. Nothing that I do or feel ever feels like I felt it with you. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Teardrops by Womack and Womack. I have totally forgotten about this song until I heard it last week and I was like, whoa, I should do a tutorial on this one. So here it is. We'll do it one half step lower than the original. So if you want to play along with the original, just put a capo on the first fret, but that way it just fits the ukulele way better. Also, this is a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's go. Alright, we'll add a little bit of the bass on the ukulele. I know that this sounds ridiculous, but I think that it will make the arrangement way better. So we start with E flat. Okay, and after that, on the C string, I'm doing this 3rd fret to 2nd fret and then grabbing this thing. Usually we should play C minor 7. To make it a minor, we need to press the 3rd fret of the C string, but I think it's way more important to actually have the low C here. So actually I'm not grabbing C minor 7 in this situation. This is, I guess, some kind of C5, I don't know. But it makes sense for the arrangement. And after that we go to F6, which is just barring on the 5th fret. And then G minor, but I'm grabbing it up here. From the bottom to the top is 5, 6, 7, open. But now let's see how we're changing the chords. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and here I'm adding a little bit of the F6 when I'm going back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3. Whenever I hear goodbye, reminds me, baby, of you. I break down and cry. Next time I'll be true. So that's the main part, and also at the end of the verse and at the end of the chorus we have this little culmination part in my eyes that basically stays on G minor harmonically, but we're doing this. I'll be true, I'll be true, I'll be true, 3 times. Yeah, I'm starting from the 2nd fret of the C string, going to the 5th fret, and grabbing G minor like this, with the bar right here. Alright, the pointing finger goes from the 2nd to the 5th, and then adding the ring finger and middle finger. Okay? I'll be true, I'll be true. And then we go to the chorus, which is with the same chords as the verse, but you can strum it a little bit harder or better on the verse to strum it less. So for example, the verse can be something like I'll be true. I'll be true. I'll be true. Footsteps on the dance floor. And here I'm going a little bit louder. Teardrops in my eyes. Next time I'll be true. Big bang in the outer room. She cries on every tune, every tune, every tune. And also we have one more part, which is the bridge, and it starts with G minor and the music to F6. Don't feel like it did. And here we have G minor 7. All right? When I felt it with you. And here we have the proper C minor 7. I'm barring on the 3rd fret. And then F, but also leaving the pinky here on the 3rd fret of the A string. And we are changing the chords in weird places again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2. And the music don't feel like it did when I felt it with you. Nothing that I do or feel ever feels like I felt it with you. Going back to so basically this sums up the song. It's simple as a matter of course, but it's super groovy. So yeah, add it to your list and enjoy playing it anywhere. Thank you very much for watching this. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye.